You know that nigga called my phone trying to come over. I was like, nigga, what you trying to do? Girl, the nigga told me he was trying to suck on my little feet. I said, huh? See, now that's freaky. Ooh, girl, not your feet. I know you told that nigga he could not come and suck on them motherfucking feet. Cause, girl, that's nasty. I know you told him no. I mean, girl, you told him no, right? Like, I know you didn't want to come over there and do that, girl. I know you didn't do that, right? You ain't do that. I mean, but girl, now you know I'm a freak. I be trying new stuff. I mean, what if I did? Girl, you nasty as a motherfucker. You just nasty. You don't care about nothing. What you gonna try next? Oh, for real, so I'm nasty. Seem like somebody forgetting about the little trifling ass shit they used to be out here doing. But you know what? I don't even give a fuck, cause girl, bye. Bitch, first of all, they're supposed to eat the coochie, not suck on the feet, see? You nasty. I bet you kissed him too, didn't you? Anyways, bitch, why you talking about somebody being nasty, bitch? You been nasty since the motherfucking day we met, bitch. We met in motherfucking preschool, bitch. Crayons, bitch. See, bitch, you trying to motherfucking play me, talk about I've been nasty since motherfucking preschool. Bitch, you the one that got hit on the side of the motherfucking garage at the motherfucking bonfire, bitch. And stinking ass, bitch. Just so you know, I'm your pick, bitch. So, I be knowing everything you be doing cause I be there with your trifling ass, so fuck you. Bitch, you always bringing up that motherfucking stupid ass bonfire so well, okay? But that was my whole nigga. You just out here getting slobbed on by random ass fuckboys. Go motherfucker sit up here and motherfucker say I'm trifling. Bitch, do you remember that motherfucking party we was in that group and you sucked 2 dicks at one time? Do not play. Bitch, okay, so I was drunk as fuck, okay, it was a free group, what the fuck, we was grown, and anyways, why you always bringing up some old shit? Cause, bitch, it ain't old if it's relevant, cause you just be out here doing shit, making me look bad and shit, just because you be throwing that little funk box around and shit, and you got me looking like a hoe, I ain't know how. Then you bringing up shit I told you I did with my nigga, like, that's my whole nigga. These is not your niggas, some of them be other bitches niggas, you don't give a fuck, you gon' get them in it. Whatever, motherfuckers always talking shit cause a bitch do these niggas how these niggas do us. I don't give a fuck, I'm gon' get mine, and bitch quit acting like you don't be trying to get yours. Man, I swear to God, you lucky I'm a real nigga, you lucky you my bitch, cause I swear, if I was a shiesty ass bitch, everybody know your motherfucking business, I swear to God, you lucky. So, what is going on, and why did I have to rush over here to come and get you? Like, y'all is so aggravating, I swear to God, y'all need to go fuck out. There's a bird! Girl, because motherfucking thing ain't gonna come over here talking about I'm a motherfucking hoe and I'm nasty. Well, you better watch out for that anaconda. You trying to suck my cause I let the nigga suck on my feet or whatever. Okay, so like she act like she don't, you know what I'm saying? Like we don't know she be out here doing her thing or whatever. Like she motherfucker. And my hair's messed up because this bitch wanna get mad or whatever cause I told her she was starting or whatever and get all swollen chest. So I'm like, shit, fuck it, what you wanna do, hoe? Huh?